Hi, this is John with WTI. And while I'm always trying to look for nice ways to have a little bit of sweet, this is the Hershey's strawberry syrup. And I would use this for different certain occasions. So first, one of the things that I like the most is that even though it's a strawberry syrup, it doesn't feel too much of artificial. It's not too high in sugar. It's actually a nice taste of strawberry without making too much of the sugar that you're gonna feel like, oh, well, this is too much. So I've used this for my oatmeal, I've used this for my pancakes, and I've used this for even milkshakes. And it gives it just a nice little touch without adding the higher amount of sugar or a higher amount of artificial like flavors for you to reach the strawberry. So if you're just really trying to have a nice syrup at your house that is not going to be too high in sugar or too high in fat, this is a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.